Hello, welcome to my training session. Microsoft Word is a word processing application. We're going to be looking at one of the very important aspects, and that has to do with changing text cases in Microsoft Word. In this particular class, we're going to be learning how to change case from lowercase to uppercase, from uppercase to lowercase. We're also going to learn how to toggle cases, how to switch between cases from lower to upper, upper back to lower. We are also going to look at sentence case, and we are going to look at capitalization. That is capitalizing the first character in a text, a word, or a sentence. So join me in the class as we learn how to use the change case option in Microsoft Word. All right, let's look at how to change case in Microsoft Word. We have the following text. We want to change case. So this is lowercase. This is already in a lowercase. This is uppercase, and this is proper case. So let's say if you have a sentence and you want to change the case to uppercase. Okay, so now let me work with this sentence. I want to change everything here to uppercase. So what I would do is highlight it, select it, and then go to my home tab, and then just here under the font group, this first group, you see this capital A and lowercase a. You just drop this arrow and then you select the case you want. So I select that, and that changes the text, all the text, to uppercase. If I want it to be in lowercase, then I go back there and I select this, all the case will be in lowercase. All the text will be in lowercase. And if I want to change it to a proper case, that is sentence case. In Excel, we call it proper case, but in Word, we call it sentence case. So if you select this, the first word, the first character will be capitalized. And if you want to toggle this, you can choose toggle case. So let me change everything to lowercase first, and then now choose toggle case. Okay, so toggle case in this case is applying it's toggling between the uppercase. So let me check it on this. So let's see how it is going to look like. Toggle case. So you can see toggles between uppercase and lowercase. So let me choose this and then choose toggle. So you can see you toggle your case. Now we can also apply the capitalize each word, in which case all the first letters are capitalized. Okay, so you can see first letter in each word is capitalized. So you have these 5 ways of applying case in Word: the sentence case, the lowercase, the uppercase, the capitalize each word, or you toggle between lowercase and uppercase. So toggling means you're switching between back and forth. So toggle is in lowercase, you toggle, or you want to toggle it again, okay, to uppercase or whatever you have. All right, so this proper will be your sentence case. Okay. All right, so that's where I'm going to stop on how to use the change case tool in Microsoft Word. So see you in another session, and bye for now.